Hello, my friends. Welcome to this first video in the series accompanying the complete guide to buying a home. First of all, I'd just like to welcome you and say thank you for being here. I appreciate you checking this out. I hope you find it useful. And if you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll take your questions and answer them for you, of course, but also use your questions to improve the material in the book, make sure it's clear for future readers, and of course, we'll record more videos along the way to accompany the rest of this series, because the video is not going to be for each chapter. We're going to take out the main points and we're going to expound on them, share more information, tell more stories, and answer more questions. So I hope you find it useful, just so you understand where we're going and what we're going to be talking about, so you can choose the topics that you find most interesting. Here is a list of each of the chapters. Chapter 1, we're going to start off giving you that quick bird's eye view, that 10,000 foot view of what it is that real estate agents do and how they help you. We're going to talk about the difference between owning and renting a home, and buyers' needs and desires and what you're looking for. And then, of course, some real estate horror stories so that you can learn from the mistakes of other people. Once you have a clear idea of what it is that you're trying to accomplish, what kind of house you want to buy, then we're going to talk about searching for the right home, which is the first of the 5 phases. Well, actually the second, if you think about the preparation and the analysis of what you want, and then you begin your search. So we're going to show you how it is that realtors search for a home. We're going to show you how to search for homes off market, places that realtors might not think to look, places that you might even be able to look around you, talking to people that you know, to find something that fits your need and meets your criteria for what you're looking for in a home. So then once you find the home, you begin that negotiation process with the owner, the person who's selling, and discuss the price, the terms, what kind of deal you're going to get. So in chapter 6, we're going to be talking about the negotiation do's and don'ts. Then, of course, once you complete the negotiations, you get that house under contract, then you go through that whole inspection and appraisal phase. So we're going to make sure that you understand what's going on there, what your deadlines are, and make sure you meet those. And of course, we're going to talk about shopping for a home loan, which hopefully you've already done by this point. But this is the point where you've been pre-qualified, you found the home, now you're going to go back to the bank and they're going to go ahead and approve the loan for that property, because the loan they're giving you is based on the property, and they can't actually approve the loan until you've got it under contract, right? So at this point, you're going to go back to the bank. They're going to approve that loan. There are programs that will help you as a home buyer, especially if you need down payment assistance. We're going to talk a little bit about that. And then, of course, at the very end, the closing process. As you finish those inspections, appraisals, everything's up to par, what you expected. You do that final walkthrough, and then you go to the title company or wherever it is that you're signing those closing documents. If you're taking out a loan, nice little package of about 150 to 200 pages, and sign your life away, as everybody says, right? So we're going to go through, make sure you understand those documents, what it is that you're signing, why they're important, and that way when you finish closing, signing all those documents, those get sent back to the lender approves it, they fund the purchase of your home, and your real estate agent gives you your keys. Congratulations. Then you can begin organizing your move into the property. So those are the main points that we're going to be discussing here. So go ahead, read through the book, watch the videos, and of course, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. We'll be happy to help you. Now, if you're just watching these videos randomly because you found them on a page somewhere, go ahead and make sure to check out our main page where you can sign up to receive updates. That way, you'll get the download link for the book. You'll get the links for all of the videos, so that way you can accompany them and make sure you have access to all of them. And also get updates to future, as we're adding new videos, new content, we'll keep you up to date as well throughout the home buying process. Also, I've got, like I said, a whole bunch of these books here. So if you want a printed copy, feel free to request them. If you need to sell your home before, you can purchase another one as well. We have the How to Sell Homes for Top Dollar. So lots of good information for you. We want to help you make sure you maximize the sale of your home so that you get top dollar for it, so that you can then turn around and take that money to invest in a new home that you're purchasing, the house of your dreams. So with that said, no further ado, I'll say bye for now. I'll see you in the next video. So go ahead, dive in, and ask us your questions along the way.